So guys, if you have a disabled Facebook account like this, please come closer. Don't worry. In this video, before you watch this video to the end, you will be able to fix this issue. You will be able to resolve all this issue that is saying that your ad account have been disabled. See guys, once your ad account is being disabled, believe me or not, believe me or leave it, every activity that have been running smoothly in your main account will definitely be stuck, because your ad account have violated one of the Facebook policy, and because of that, anything that you are doing on that account, even if you have a page that is linked in that account, in that profile, that they disable the ad account, you're not going to get engagement. Everything about that account is going to reduce, you understand, based on maybe you violate one of their policy. Some of these policies are very common. Some of them is because you are owing Facebook, and once you owe Facebook and they try to debit you on the debit billing account that you set up and it did not go through, definitely they are going to restrict your account. They're going to disable your account until you fix this thing. That is when your account will start running smoothly. And sometimes people struggle on how they can going to fix this thing. They'll try by all means, contacting Facebook. Even if you contact Facebook from now till tomorrow, they are not the one that are going to fix this thing for you. It's very common and it's very easy for you to do this thing. It's because you don't have the real information that will help you to sort out this issue. So guys, without wasting much time, as you're watching this video, make sure you pay attention to this video. Don't skip any part of this video, because once you skip any part of this video, you're going to miss it all. And as you are watching, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever I upload any new video. You can join my community as well, guys. I know you guys have been there. For my returner viewers and also my new subscriber, guys, I really appreciate you guys for standing by me and for your support. I believe God is going to touch you all. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into this. So guys, welcome back. Just like what I said, and I'm going to show you how you can resolve your disabled Facebook account. For example, now you see this account was disabled and this person tried to fix this issue. He was not able to fix this issue, so he reached out to me based on some of my videos that he have watched, and then take the same practice and his issue was solved. So to fix this account, to fix this issue, to return back to normal, you need a virtual card. You understand? You need a virtual card. If you don't know how to create or have one of these things, you can check one of my video up here. It's going to, when you click there, it's going to take you where I talk about how you can create a virtual account and also have a virtual card that you can use to pay some of your bills. You understand? You can use to do some of your online ads and so many things online. So guys, like now, once you go to your ad account that is being disabled, you scroll down and then you see where it's been disabled. You see there that they are saying that your ad account have been disabled based on, they will give you the details that your ad account was disabled based on, we tried to deduct the money that you are owing, it was not going through, and that is the reason why we disable your ad account. And for you to be able to resolve this issue, you have to input a new card that they can be able to take the transaction process to work. So, and that is the reason why you need a virtual card that can help you to solve this issue. So go and create a virtual card. Once you have a virtual card, that is a Visa card, a Visa virtual card. Get the number, get everything that is needed. Make sure you use your real name, and then go back. The name that you use on that your Facebook, that is the name you are going to use on that registration whenever you are when you are doing the registration on the virtual account, so that it will tally with your name and the card holder. Because if the card holder the name is different from the name that is on your ad account, definitely it's going to be very difficult. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You understand? So, and also change the country name. If you mistakenly use a US, please change it to your country. Whenever you resolve this issue, change it to your country. So because of that, it will help you whenever a billing arrives like this. You now use your own normal debit card, which is the Visa card that we have in our country, like the MasterCard or the Visa card. It can be easily, and also change the currency as well. We have Nigeria there, we have US, we have Euro, we have different type of country. So if your country is being listed there, select your own country and then use your country card. That is how it works. But if you don't know this and you went ahead by running ad on Facebook, definitely they're going to disable your account, because when they try to debit you and your card is not accepted on the transaction, definitely you're going to receive this strike. You're going to receive this error message that Facebook is trying to tell you that your account has been disabled. And guess what? Until you resolve this issue, your account is not going to function very well. Many people will not tell you this, and they may require a lot of money from you, that okay, before we can help you to resolve this issue, please give us also amount like this, and that is how we are going to resolve this issue. If you don't want, you can leave it. Yes, it is. If you don't give them money, they won't do it for you. But in this video, you will take all the information, the details that you need, that will help you to resolve this issue. And that's why you don't have to waste time. Like this video and also subscribe for more videos that will be more interesting to come like this. And if you have any issue that you are facing on your Facebook account, or anything that you feel that I should talk about it, please don't hesitate by commenting and tell me. I'm going to do a video like that. So guys, see you in another video. I really appreciate you guys for all